father gave you those tools.
I have tools?
Yes, from 2 Christmases ago. Not my chair, not my problem. Is that what you say?
Where is my mind?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Where is my mind? Where is my mind?
The machine over there, candy stuck.
Happens sometimes.
Yeah, it's somewhere offshore. Somewhere on tour. There's so much go on, 'cause they wanna encore. I should be out the year, but I always want more.
Ground crew at Yankee Stadium. The first time we met, he asked what I did, and I told him.
Retail mattresses. Retail mattresses. It's amazing.
I don't know why. I never thought I'd be one of those people who carried a briefcase. It always reminds me of carrying a lunchbox to school. A mutual friend said she thought I was high. I returned the compliment. We had sex about 3 hours later.
I didn't think you were coming in today. They said you weren't. I am so sorry, Davis.
Thank you, Amy. I should tell you something. I'm in finance. I don't know why I told you that I worked in the mattress business. I guess I didn't expect to see you every day for 5 years. You think I'm a dick?
I don't work for the Yankees anymore. My little prick of a boss, he's 30 years younger than me. Just want to go in there and smash his little prick face.
I didn't love my wife. Because I was finally being honest.
Yes.
Examine everything, then you can put it all back together.
Somehow she got me talking about my wife. I really let her in. Then, out of nowhere,
She asked.
So why'd you marry him?
I don't know, because it was easy.
from now on, it's me and my tools.
Part of your heart is missing.
What? How did that happen?
Wow!